Welcome, fitness enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the 5 essential strength training moves every beginner should know. Whether you're completely new to exercise or just starting to add weights into your routine, these exercises are the foundation for a strong and healthy body. Don't worry, I'll be guiding you through each movement, ensuring you feel confident and ready to smash your fitness goals. Let's get started and build that strength together. Let's start with the squat, a powerhouse move that targets your legs and glutes. This exercise is fundamental for building strength and stability in your lower body. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outwards. This stance helps you maintain balance and ensures proper alignment. Now, imagine you're about to sit back into a chair. This visualization helps you initiate the movement correctly, ensuring that you push your hips back rather than just bending your knees. Keep your back straight, chest lifted, and core engaged as you lower down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Engaging your core is crucial for maintaining stability and protecting your lower back. Remember, it's crucial to keep your knees in line with your toes throughout the movement. This alignment helps prevent injuries and ensures that you're working the right muscles. If you're new to squats, start by practicing the movement without any weights. Focus on perfecting your form first, as this will set a strong foundation for adding resistance later. As you get stronger, you can gradually add resistance with dumbbells or a barbell. Adding weight increases the intensity of the exercise, helping you build more muscle and strength. Squats are fantastic for building lower body strength, improving mobility, and boosting your metabolism. They engage multiple muscle groups, including your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. Plus, they work so many muscle groups at once, making them a super efficient exercise. Incorporating squats into your routine can lead to better overall fitness and functional strength, which is beneficial for everyday activities. As you progress, you can explore different squat variations, such as front squats, sumo squats, and goblet squats, to target different muscle groups and keep your workouts interesting. Don't forget to stretch after your squats to maintain flexibility and reduce muscle soreness. Stretching helps your muscles recover and prepares them for your next workout. Keep track of your progress and set achievable goals. Monitoring your improvements can keep you motivated and help you stay on track with your fitness journey. Remember, consistency is key. Keep practicing, stay dedicated, and soon you'll be squatting like a pro. Next up, we're tackling push-ups. This classic exercise is a fantastic way to build upper body strength, targeting your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, fingers pointing forward. Lower your body down by bending your elbows until your chest grazes the floor. Keep your core engaged and your body in a straight line from head to toe. Then, push back up to the starting position. If you're finding it tough to do a full push-up, don't worry. You can modify the exercise by performing them against a wall or by dropping to your knees. Remember, it's all about progressing at your own pace. Now, let's move on to deadlifts, one of the most effective exercises you can incorporate into your workout routine. Deadlifts are a compound exercise that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them a powerhouse move for building strength. They are particularly excellent for building overall strength, especially in your back muscles, as well as your legs and core. This makes deadlifts a full-body workout that can help you achieve a balanced physique. To start, stand with your feet hip-width apart. This stance provides a stable base for lifting. Place a weight, either dumbbells or a barbell, in front of you. Hinge at your hips, pushing them back as if you're closing a car door with your butt. Keep your back straight and your core engaged. This helps protect your spine and ensures you're using the right muscles. Grip the weight with an overhand grip, which means your palms are facing your body. Your hands should be placed slightly wider than your shoulders. This grip width helps you maintain control over the weight. Lift the weight off the ground by extending your hips and knees simultaneously. Think of it as a coordinated effort between your lower body and upper body. Lower the weight back to the ground with a controlled movement. This descent is just as important as the lift itself. Ensure to maintain a straight back throughout the exercise. This helps prevent injuries and maximizes the effectiveness of the workout. Remember, proper form is crucial when performing deadlifts to avoid injury. Incorrect form can lead to serious back problems. If you're new to this exercise, start with lighter weights. This allows you to focus on mastering the form before adding more weight. Gradually increase the load as you get stronger. This progressive overload is key to building muscle and strength over time. Consistency is key. Make deadlifts a regular part of your workout routine to see the best results. And don't forget to stretch after your workout. Stretching helps in muscle recovery and reduces the risk of injury. Stay hydrated. Drinking water after your workout helps replenish fluids lost during exercise. Track your progress. Keeping a workout journal can help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Finally, enjoy the process. Working out should be a rewarding experience that makes you feel accomplished and strong. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Having workout buddies can make your fitness journey more enjoyable and keep you accountable. Now, get ready to power up your workout with deadlifts. Remember, every rep brings you one step closer to your fitness goals. Let's focus on our core strength with the plank, a fantastic isometric exercise that strengthens your abs, back, and shoulders. Get into a push-up position, but instead of resting on your hands, lower down onto your forearms. Make sure your elbows are directly beneath your shoulders and your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for as long as you can while maintaining good form. If you're new to planks, start with shorter holds, such as 20 seconds, and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. You can modify the plank by performing it on your knees or by raising one leg at a time for an extra challenge. Last but not least, we have bent over rows, a fantastic exercise for targeting your back muscles, particularly the lats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a weight in each hand. Bend forward at your hips, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Let the weights hang down towards the floor. Pull the weights up towards your chest, keeping your elbows close to your body. Squeeze your back muscles at the top of the movement, then slowly lower the weights back down to the starting position. Remember to maintain a straight back throughout the exercise to avoid any strain on your lower back. Bent over rows are excellent for improving posture, building upper body strength, and preventing back pain. When performing bent over rows, it's crucial to adjust your grip to ensure comfort and effectiveness. You can use an overhand grip which targets the upper back more, or an underhand grip which emphasizes the lower lats. Experiment with both grips to see which one feels more natural and provides the best engagement for your back muscles. Always maintain a neutral spine to protect your lower back. Avoid rounding your shoulders or arching your back excessively. Breathing is also essential. Inhale as you lower the weights and exhale as you pull them up. This helps stabilize your core and provides better control over the movement. Consistency is key. Incorporate bent-over rows into your regular workout routine, aiming for 3 sets of 10-12 repetitions. Over time, you'll notice significant improvements in your back strength and overall posture. Don't forget to stretch your back muscles after your workout. This helps in recovery and reduces muscle soreness. With dedication and proper technique, bent-over rows can be a game changer in your fitness journey, helping you achieve a stronger, healthier back. Thanks for watching. Remember, consistency is key. Keep practicing these moves and you'll see amazing progress. Start with a few sets of each exercise, gradually increasing the repetitions and weight as you get stronger. Listen to your body and don't be afraid to modify the exercises if needed. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a race. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fitness tips and workouts. See you next time.